Welcome to the weekly challenge. This week, I'm going to challenge you to create a class that generates sample data. This type of class can be really useful for testing out your applications, but sometimes generating valid looking data can be tricky. So we're going to take it on as a challenge this week. Now, if you're not familiar with the weekly challenge, let me explain. Each week, I challenge you to tackle a topic in that value. And you only have full name, which is a random full name, which is a random first name and a random last name put together. Okay? That's the primary challenge. Now, a bonus challenge is to add random doubles in a range. Now, the reason this is a bonus challenge and not in the primary challenge is because doubles are a little bit trickier. You want to have that range is what's the tricky part. It's not just 0 to 100, it may be 50 to 100. Try and get your doubles to fit into a range that doesn't start at 0. It will take a little bit of math. So if it doesn't, then you should really check your work and make sure it is random and in the correct range, right? Also, random phone number. So the US format is what I was expecting. So in parentheses, 3 numbers and then a space and then 3 numbers dash and then 4 numbers. Okay, that's the XXX format. And then also random zip codes. In the US is what I'm looking for. So 5 numbers with a dash and then 4 more numbers. Okay, so generate a random phone number and a random zip code in those formats. But then, and this is a really tricky part, I want you to support other numeric style formats without additional methods. So what do I mean by that? Well, let's pull up Notepad here real quick. I just want to show you. So our zip code format, that'd be a zip code, okay? Our phone number is like that. But what about a social security number? In the US, a social security number is like that, okay? I want you to be able to support a format like this without adding an additional method, okay? So you're gonna have a generate random zip code method. You'll have a generate random phone number method. But then I want you to have a generic one that says generate and based upon any pattern you want. And I want you to see you accomplish that. Okay, don't leave off the dashes. Don't leave off the spaces or the parens. I want you to match this type of pattern without creating a new method each time. Okay, so that's the bonus challenge. All right, so there is the primary challenge. There's a bonus challenge. Hopefully you got that. Hopefully you understand or are thinking through already ways to tackle that. Try and be as efficient as possible, but don't concentrate on efficiency. Concentrate first on getting the job done. Then you can come back and make it more efficient. All right? So with that, good luck and happy coding.